Hello! Welcome to a new episode of Homey Decor. I'm Annie, and today I'll show you how to decorate your own terrace. For instance, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the ring bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Only here on YouTube. Let's start with a tropical style. I recommend an exotic terracotta furniture. Incorporate wicker items. Then, select the accent colors such as mustard, turquoise, and woven textures. For the coffee table, select a tropical tray and decoratives in golden finishes. An exotic parrot figure will be essential for this style. Finally, add an exotic touch and mirrors in different sizes to create an amazing space. Ethnic style. Vibrant colors are perfect for this style. You will need a room divider. Create warm and cozy atmospheres with this look. Mix different textures, like tassel cushions. In this ethnic style, stunning designs are inspired by different cultures. Select decoratives with tribal inspiration. Give life to your space with a palm tree. Nautical style is the perfect way to make us feel near the ocean. Start with a rock with stripes and blue prints. Add light series to have an enjoyable space. Choose hanging decoratives such as wooden letters and petals. For the coffee table, place a blue vase with texture. Also a wood plate with seashells and a lantern. Bring a relaxing feeling with cushions with tropical prints and navy tones. Boho style. Create a bohemian vibe with vintage textures. Select eclectic patterns. Consider low-level seating for a relaxing atmosphere. Macrame and crafty items will add a great vibe to your space. Home fragrance and candles will give character for your small terrace. Surround your space with items you acquired in your trips. That will make it special, global, and very diverse. Natural style. If sustainability is important to you, this look will be great for your home. Start placing 2 rocks. Then, choose rattan or wicker furniture. Add a green accent with an archer. Give freshness with planters and tropical plants. Hanging lanterns will be a great option. If you don't know what decoratives to choose, start selecting 3 in different sizes. Consider similar material and colors in your selection. And finally, some cushions. In this case, I will choose yellow and orange tones. Coming up next, how to renovate your kitchen. Only here in Homey Decor. Your space, your home. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.